So as we can see here, we have a CHS 25,000 gallon tank car. And as we can see here, we have the CHSX and then the car road number along with the car weight as well. FRA striping all across with the CHS logo. We also have a ladder down in the middle and some text panels here. On this side, we have a brake wheel right there, a little diamond plate. We also have, once again, the car road number there and some grab irons. On this side, once again, we have the reporting mark there, car weight, FRA striping across, the ladder down the middle, CHS logo there, and some text panels on this side as well. And on this side, we have a diamond plate along with the reporting mark once again. On the top here, we have a hatch right here down the middle, along with grab irons there, and a little knob right there as well. On the bottom, we have some nice air reservoir brake details that stretch all the way across the car. So, pretty cool tank car model. And this is the Dana Railcare tank car. So over here we have the nice logo along with the reporting mark DNAX 125013 along with the iron weight, FRA striping all across with a ladder down the middle. We also have some text panels over here. Yeah, there we go. And then diamond plate there as well. On this side, we have the reporting mark once again along with a brake wheel and a diamond plate right there, along with some grab irons, of course. And on this side, we have the logo and the reporting mark, the iron weight, FRA striping all across with a ladder right there, and a diamond plate, and also some text panels and a plate C. On this side, we just have some grab iron details, the reporting mark, and a diamond plate. On top here, we have the reporting mark, except it's upside down. There we go. And here we have the hatch and a little knob there along with some grab irons. Ladders go all the way to the top there. And here we have some air brake details that stretch all the way across the car. So pretty cool. Yeah, I got a couple more tank cars because the ones I got before, they performed pretty well on my layout. And so with some additional tank cars, I'll be able to make a oil train. So that would be nice for sure. I also did get some more wheels so I can finally replace the plastic wheels off of some of my older rolling stock. So hopefully these wheels will help those cars to perform better on my layout.